Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Callie.
And
And today we're doing
from the fridge challenge.
We're having our mom get us something from the fridge, and we're gonna be blindfolded, and we have to guess what that is.
So at the end of the video, whoever has the least amount of points has to eat a spoonful of the blended mixture of everything that we try. So without further ado, let's get blindfolded.
Here's yours.
I'm not ready.
Don't eat it yet. Callie, hold your hand out.
It's gonna be so nasty. Wait, what?
You can't smell it.
Ew, I'm
Alright,
scared.
we
It's
ready?
gonna be nasty. Wait, what if
Where's
I
my
just spit
water
it
at?
out?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Oh, what is that?
Oh.
What is that? What the heck?
Alright. You ready to guess?
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Cheese.
Cream cheese.
This side.
I need to wipe my mouth.
That was pretty rough.
That was so bad. That's so it's stuck in my braces.
When I first put it in my mouth, I was like, ah. It's got the same consistency as poop.
No. Oh goodness.
Alright.
I'm scared.
Ready? 1,
3,
2.
2. What is that?
Oh.
You got mine.
Well, I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Are you
Relish.
ready? Salsa.
I don't think it was salsa. That was too gross. What kind of salsa my parents be eating?
Okay, ready?
No.
How many of these I got to do?
5.
5.
That's 3, right? This is speech
This is
number 3.
this is 3.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm nervous now.
Oh my gosh.
All right. You
Is
ready?
it bad?
You got
I
it?
swear if this is nasty, I'm gonna like.
3, 2, 1.
What the heck? I can't get it.
Oh, I about threw up. Oh. That burnt. Oh.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Buffalo
Vinegar.
sauce. It was spicy.
It was spicy.
Spoon. Spoon. Spoon.
Hey, can I get like something like a trash can?
This one's taking a while to make. I'm kind of scared right now.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
I hope it's like ice cream.
Ready?
No.
She's laughing at this one.
Yeah, I know. Mom, it's that
You
bad.
can't smell it, Callie.
I don't
You
smell
put it
it.
all in your mouth.
3,
I'm not putting this all in my
3,
mouth. I'm scared.
2, 1. Oh, uh-oh. Ah.
Oh wait. Okay, yeah, this is good.
Okay. I know what this is.
Yeah, this is good.
3, 2, 1.
A grape. That was so good. That was like the highlight.
Yeah, that was like
That was so good. Spoon. Can you get another
the
one
texture.
of
I didn't know about it.
those? Yeah, I thought it was like. I wasn't sure about the
I
texture.
thought it was like wet onions or something.
It did. It felt like that. I thought it was that too, but that was good.
All right, last one.
I'm scared.
Before we answer this last one, what's the score?
She's beating you by 1 though.
What?
Nuh-uh. Lit.
Oh no.
I hope I
What
get
did you
this
say
one
on
right.
that really nasty one?
Which one?
The one I almost threw up on.
I said
Are you ready?
buffalo sauce.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh man. I have a bad feeling that I'm gonna have to.
Don't breathe.
Don't breathe.
Don't smell it.
Is
Okay.
it that bad?
3.
Ready, set, go.
What the heck?
Mm.
Callie?
What is that? What is that? Look at your mouth. Can I have a try again?
Ah.
I swallowed.
I know what that is.
Okay, you guys gotta answer, Callie.
You ready?
Hang on. Oh my god.
Are you ready?
Mhm.
3, 2, 1.
Pickles?
Mustard.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, we got a tiebreaker.
Oh,
I
means
only
we
did.
both gotta try it. Just a spoonful, like we
Oh
were.
my gosh.
So what were the answers? Number 1 was
That.
Oh my god. I'm
Portland
gonna throw
cheese.
up.
That's number 2.
Number 2, jalapeno jelly.
Number
Number
3, wing sauce.
Number 4 was a peeled grape.
And number 5 was mustard.
Jelly's number.
I
Brown
hate
mustard.
mustard. That's disgusting.
Alright, Tammy.
1.
Ew. The mustard one?
Yeah.
That's so nasty. We have to eat the whole thing. We have to eat the whole thing. Dalton.
Supposed to.
No, you did not. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna like throw up.
At least eat half of it.
Ew. It's gonna. I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm just gonna.
Oh man. I'm shaking. Oh, this looks terrible.
Look at this, guys. It looks so nasty. Ew. What are those big chunks?
Grapes.
Oh god.
You at least gotta get like a couple chunks in there. Alright? Ready?
It's gonna be hot. And I'm gonna throw up.
1, 2,
Hang on, wait.
3.
Oh, Callie, more.
You need to be kidding us.
Eat your bite, Callie.
I did!
Swallow it.
Oh, you're getting your hair in it.
Whoop. Can I have
Well.
a jacket?
Thanks for watching.
Ow!
Like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more videos.
Where